Do you ever feel shy when someone asks, "What do you do?" Or maybe you want to describe your job in English, but don't know the right words? Don't worry. Today we'll help you talk confidently about your job in simple English. Hi friends, welcome back to Podcast with me. I'm Sarah, and today I'm here with my good friend Ryan. Together we'll learn how to talk about your job and daily work life in English, using easy words and short sentences. By the end of this video, you'll be able to introduce your job, talk about what you do every day, and ask others about their work, all in natural English. So stay with us till the end, and let's get started. Hi Ryan, it's great to have you here again. So let's start simple. How do you usually tell people about your job?
Hi Sarah, thanks for having me. When someone asks me about my job, I usually say, I'm a teacher. And sometimes I add more, like I teach English at a school.
That's perfect. So, learners, if someone asks, "What do you do?" you can answer with, "I'm a plus job title." For example, I'm a doctor, I'm a driver, I'm a student, I'm a shopkeeper.
Exactly. You can also say, I work as a teacher, or I work in a school.
Let's practice that together. Phrase 1, what do you do? Meaning, this is how we ask someone about their job. Phrase 2, I'm a teacher. Meaning, you tell your job using I'm a plus the job name. Phrase 3, I work as a teacher. Meaning, another polite way to describe your job. Phrase 4, I work in a school. Meaning, you're saying the place where you work. Phrase 5, I teach English. Meaning, you tell what kind of work you do. Cultural tip. In India, many people say, "What is your profession?" But in everyday English, "What do you do?" sounds more natural.
Pronunciation. Tip. The word teacher is pronounced /TITCHER/. Don't say teacher. Make it smooth. Teacher.
Okay, Ryan, let's go a bit deeper. Can you tell us what you do every day as a teacher?
Sure. My day starts early. I go to school around 8 a.m. I teach English to my students. We read stories, practice grammar, and play learning games. I finish work around 3 p.m. Then I plan lessons for the next day.
That's great. So, when you describe your daily work, use simple present tense, like I go, I teach, I finish. Let's give our learners some more examples.
Yes, here are a few. I start work at 9 a.m. I answer emails. I help customers. I make reports. I work with a team.
Perfect. You can also talk about when you finish. For example, I finish work at 6 p.m. or I get home by 7. Phrase 1, I start work at 9 a.m. Meaning you begin your job at 9 in the morning. Phrase 2, I teach English to my students. Meaning you explain what kind of work you do every day. Phrase 3, I help customers. Meaning you assist people who buy things or need service. Phrase 4, I work with a team. Meaning you do your job together with other people. Phrase 5, I plan lessons. Meaning you prepare what you will teach or do next. Cultural tip. When talking about your job, don't just say the title. Add a few lines about your daily work. It sounds more natural and confident.
Pronunciation. Tip. The word work is pronounced we Ks, not vork. Use the W sound softly.
Ryan, you always sound so positive about teaching. Tell us, why do you love your job?
Good question. I love my job because I enjoy helping students learn. It feels great when I see them improve. Also, every day is different. I never get bored.
That's wonderful. Learners, when you talk about why you like your job, you can use simple phrases like, I like my job because, I love my job because, it's interesting. It's fun. It's challenging. It's meaningful.
Yes, for example, I like my job because I meet new people. I love my job because I can be creative. I enjoy my job because I learn new things every day. Phrase 1. I like my job because I help people. Meaning, you enjoy your work because it makes a difference. Phrase 2. I love my job because it's interesting. Meaning, your work is fun and exciting. Phrase 3. I enjoy my job because I learn new things. Meaning, you feel happy doing your job. Phrase 4. It's challenging. Meaning, it's not easy, but it helps you grow. Phrase 5. It's meaningful. Meaning, your job has a good purpose. Cultural tip. In many Asian countries, people feel shy to say, I love my job. But in English, it's a positive phrase. It shows passion and happiness. Pronunciation. Tip. The word interesting is often pronounced /INTRASTING/ not interesting. Say it smoothly. Interesting.
Ryan, let's help our learners practice asking questions about someone else's job.
Yes, you can ask, what do you do? Where do you work? What time do you start work? Do you like your job? What's your favorite part of your job?
Perfect. And when you answer, keep it short and friendly, like, I work at a hospital. I start work at 8 a.m. Yes, I like my job. It's very interesting. Phrase 1. Where do you work? Meaning, you're asking about the person's workplace. Phrase 2. Do you like your job? Meaning, you're asking if they enjoy their work. Phrase 3. What time do you start work? Meaning, you want to know when they begin working. Phrase 4. What's your favorite part of your job? Meaning, you ask what they enjoy the most. Phrase 5. I work at a hospital. Meaning, you tell the place where you work. Cultural tip. In polite English, we usually avoid asking directly, how much do you earn? Instead, ask about what they do or what they enjoy.
Pronunciation tip. The word hospital is pronounced /hos.pi.tal/ not hospital. Stress the first part, hospital.
Ryan, do you ever think about your future job goals?
Oh yes, I want to become a school principal someday. I'd like to help teachers and students learn better.
That's a wonderful goal. Learners, you can talk about your future job dreams like this. I want to be a doctor. I'd like to work abroad. I hope to start my own business. I plan to study more.
Exactly. You can use I want to, I'd like to, or I hope to talk about your future dreams.
Okay now. Phrase 1. I want to be a doctor, meaning you dream to become a doctor in the future. Phrase 2. I'd like to work abroad, meaning you wish to have a job in another country. Phrase 3. I hope to start my own business, meaning you plan to open your own company someday. Phrase 4. I plan to study more, meaning you want to continue learning. Phrase 5. I'd like to become a manager, meaning you want a higher position in your job. Cultural tip. When talking about goals, it's okay to dream big. English speakers often talk positively about the future. It shows confidence. Pronunciation tip. The word abroad is pronounced abroad. Stress the second part, abroad. Okay, friends, now it's your turn. Let's practice speaking together. I'll ask you a few simple questions. Try to answer aloud, even if you're alone. Ready? What do you do? Where do you work? What time do you start work? Do you like your job? Why? What do you want to be in the future? Great job! You're doing amazing. Keep practicing these phrases every day, at home, with friends, or in front of a mirror. Remember, the more you speak, the more confident you become. Thank you so much for learning with us today. I hope you now feel more confident talking about your job in English. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Podcast with Me, and share it with your friends who want to learn English too. I'm Sarah.
And this is Ryan.
See you next time for another fun and easy English conversation.